In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream video on Wix. Whether you're hosting a virtual event, sharing a live tutorial, or want to connect in real time with your audience, Wix makes it incredibly simple to get your live stream up and running. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure that you're equipped to broadcast live on your website. First, navigate to your Wix account by logging in on your browser. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is essentially the hub for managing all aspects of your site. From this dashboard, you want to click on Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens as you customize and prepare your site for a live stream. Now that you're in the editor, look to the left-hand side of the screen and identify the Add App option. This is your gateway to Wix's multitude of features. Click on it and a search bar will appear. Here, you'll want to type in Wix Video and then proceed to find and click on the Wix Video app. This app is essential for setting up your live stream feature on your site. Once you've found Wix Video, go ahead and click Add to Site to integrate the app into your website. With the Wix Video app successfully added, you need to manage your video setup. You'll see an option to manage video. Select it, and this will take you into the back end where you can handle video uploads, settings, and more. Within the video management area, focus your attention on the video library section. Here, click on the live stream option. This specific selection allows you to configure your live stream settings completely. You'll be prompted to set up your live stream, which includes various customization options. This is the time to decide on the specifics of your stream, such as the title, description, and any other parameters important to your broadcast. Before going live, make sure to click Publish on your Wix site. This action will save all the settings and changes you've made so far, ensuring everything is ready and visible to your audience once you go live. With everything published and ready, the next step is to share your live event. Obtain the live page link and share it with your intended viewers through your chosen communication channels, whether it be email, social media, or direct message. Finally, when everything is set, and you feel ready to connect with your audience in real time, head back to the Wix Video dashboard. All that's left to do now is to click Go Live. With this final step, you're officially broadcasting live from your Wix site, engaging with your audience in an exciting, interactive format. Happy streaming!